Ready to transform your app with professional themes? Let's dive in. In the Knack Builder, click the Themes icon in the left navigation, then select My Custom Theme. You'll see two main sections, Styles and Layout. Under Styles, start by choosing your primary brand color. Knack's intelligent color system automatically generates a complete harmonious palette including secondary colors, navigation backgrounds, and text colors. You can also select from professional fonts, enable light or dark mode for user preference, and customize the look and feel of your tables and more. Under Layout, configure your navigation as vertical for complex apps with many pages, or horizontal for streamlined experiences. Set your page width to full width for dashboards or max width for better text readability. And even upload your custom logo here. Once you're done, save and apply your changes. Pro tip, use Quick View to see your changes in real time before saving. Want a more detailed walkthrough of themes and to learn more about customizing with CSS? Check out our webinar library at knack.com/webinars. Until next time, happy knacking!